guys, welcome to Math with Mr. Hostin. Today we're going to do section 2-5 and 2-6, solving one-step equations using addition, subtraction, multiplying, and dividing. The way we do this is we have to use our inverse operations. An inverse operation is an operation that is the opposite of another operation. So things like addition, the inverse operation is subtraction, and subtraction, the inverse operation is addition. For multiplication, it's division, and division is multiplication. We're going to start out with the ones on the left. We have 5 times x equals 25. I know, it's simple. 5 times 5 equals 25, so x equals 25, but we need to show it. So what we do is we draw our line down the middle, so it reminds us that what we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other side. So the inverse of multiplication is division, so we're going to divide by 5 on both sides. That's going to cancel, and we're left with just x equals 5. Okay, if we get down to x divided by 12 equals 4, again, we need to draw our line down the middle. We have to use our inverse operation of division. That would be multiplication, so we're going to multiply by 12, cancel that out, multiply by 12, and we're left with x over here equals 4 times 12 is 48. So we get x equals 48. And if we wanted to check any of these, we can just plug in our answer for that. So we'll back up to the 5 times x equals 25. We can plug in the 5. We say 5 times 5 equals 25. Yes, that's what we needed. Good. If we wanted to check the bottom one, we say 48 divided by 12 equals 4. Is that true? Yes. There we go. If we move over to the addition and subtraction ones, we have to do the opposite of that. So again, we're going to draw our line down the middle, and we're going to see x plus 7. Alright, so the inverse of that is minus 7. And again, we have to do it to both sides. That cancels out. We're left with just x. 13 minus 7 is 6, so x equals 6. And again, we can check that. We can go 6 plus 7 equals 13. That's what we needed. We're good. Now we're going to go x minus 13 equals 33. Again, easiest first step, draw a line down the middle, so it reminds us to do it to both sides. And then we say the inverse of subtraction is addition, so we're going to say add 13, cross it out, add 13 to the other side as well, so we get x equals 46. And again, we can check that. We go 46 minus 13 equals 33. That's what we needed. Good. Scroll down here, they're very important that we always do the same thing to both sides of the equation. If we don't, then our equation becomes unbalanced. So we have to make sure we do it to both sides. That's why it's very helpful to draw that line down the middle. It tells us to do the same thing to both sides. And that is 2 sections, very quick, very easy.